find this amazing candle. Now this candle I only bring in when there is a sale happening in Magic of Healing, and other days I don't bring in this candle. In fact, even in my candle magic classes I have never spoken about this candle at all. So what is this candle about is the first thing I want to talk. This is called as the Aadhi Parasakthi candle. Now Aadhi Parasakthi is the goddess of all the goddesses. Now if you, I don't know, I think you will not be able to see when I show it from here. But in this, if you see the goddess Aadhi Parasakthi, you will find that Lord Shiv, the Ganesh Bhagwan is there, and she is sitting on Lord Ganesh Bhagwan, and there is Shiv ji, there is Lakshmi ji, there is Kuber Bhagwan, there is Brahma, Vishnu. So she is more as the god or the goddess of all the gods mainly. And behind this I have given the Lord Kartikeya or the Lord Murugan of our down south, and Lord Kartikeya with both his wives. So what does this candle do? First I would like to say, I think most of you all have tried my Kartikeya powder and have seen beautiful results in terms of name, fame and success, because a lot of people keep giving me the feedbacks that it has worked beautifully. So this candle I have given a combination wherein with actually even some herbs inside and a blend of oils, because this candle works in terms of bringing name, fame and success for the person who's burning this every day for 10-15 minutes. I would prefer at least half an hour daily, and to do this for continuously for 3 months or 6 months, till they get the desired result. But this also works in peace and harmony of the house, because of late many people come to me saying there is no peace, there is no harmony. So I tell them maybe pick up a blue candle and burn a blue candle. I also tell them take a lavender oil and use that as in the diffuser in your bedroom, or else a rose oil I ask them to do. So, and in between I had even gotten a tantric product also, which was very powerful for relationships. But more than that, now tantric product is only for a husband and wife, and if you see a rose oil is only for a husband and wife. Now what if it's a joint family? What if there are a lot of people in the house, and we have our cousins or our husbands, brothers, their wives, and or whatever we call it as. So we want a harmony in the home. For that you can use this. Now if you're using this for that, then you burn it in your puja room every day for 10 or 15 minutes or half an hour. As I said, half an hour is the best, but even 15 minutes is okay, because keeping the budget in mind, I'm saying this. Now in case I want to do it for name, fame and success, what do? We burn it in our room, in our bedroom, or whichever room we spend most of the time. For example, if you're a healer, if you're a tarot reader, and if you have a separate healing room, then you will burn it there. Or if it is for your husband, he works somewhere else, so you can burn it in your bedroom. Now, this comes with a powder and an oil. There's a special powder called as the name, fame and success powder, which again in my sale I bring that powder where people use it just in their camphor, showing it around the houses. So what we do is, we ask the client to sprinkle the powder in the camphor and show it around the house, just a pinch of powder. So that comes for you. Even if you do every Tuesday, the day of Lord Kartikeya, and it's even the day of Goddess Parasakthi, so it's a combined day. So every Tuesday you can just add a pinch of that powder in the camphor and show it around the house. That is for Tuesdays. Every day this candle for 15 minutes. Now there is an oil which I send with this, which is called as the fame oil. Now that fame oil, what you will do, you don't have to apply this, because this already, it has a beautiful smell of my blend of oils and herbs. So what you will do, that oil is, you will take every day. It's a roll-on bottle, so you will just rub it in your palms, and you will, as you're rubbing it, you'll say, when you smell it, you'll say, I am intending that I am getting name, fame and success in my career. That's how you do. I'm just going to burn this candle. Usually I don't burn my candles so fast, but then I felt I should burn this candle today, because I have another 2-3 videos which I might be doing today, so I'm burning this. But yes, do try this. And if you're starting it, when do I start? If you ask me, either start on a Sunday, or best would be to start either on a new moon or a full moon. But if you feel for new moon and full moon there's still a lot of time left, then do start it on a Sunday and do it every day. Don't leave even a day in between. Yes, in case you're traveling, you cannot carry it with you, then it is fine. You can come back and continue burning, or else every day burn it. If it is for your husband, if he can burn, that's the best thing. If it is for you, then you should burn. If it's for the whole family, then yes, you can burn it. You don't have to ask your husband or your parents to burn it. You can still burn, intending that the whole house is happy. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and the sale is coming soon. So I hope you all benefit a lot from the upcoming sale also. God